Look who's helping me with my brake job. All right, I've got a 2017 GTI. I noticed some drips in the driveway, and I've found that the caliper is leaking from around the e-brake pivot point, right around here, and it's coming down from the back of the emergency brake bracket and pivot shaft. So I'm going to replace the caliper. Here's my new caliper, got it from the Volkswagen dealer, $105, and pretty straightforward to put it on. Once it's bolted in place here and here, have to connect up the emergency brake cable and connect up the hydraulic line to here, and then bleed the brakes, and we're good to go. So let's take off the old caliper.